Alright guys, day 1 of trying to beat the Legendary Bird Zapdos. Can we do it? We'll go typing. Defense. We'll go defense. Sucks Zapdos took our typing. I guess HP. We'll go typing again. Yeah, we'll release it so it doesn't steal any of our... We'll go speed. Not bad. Alright, good moveset here. We need like a good rock type. We have a chance. I think we're a little closer. HP, a little weak. Maybe moveset, but Shadow Ball is a great move. But check me out next time for day 2 when we try to beat Zapdos again.